only one not ready.
Okay. Ryan, you got the right.
Oh Lord, what do I gotta go first?
Okay.
Oh, I get the right.
Right there.
Who in the middle?
Me.
It'd be best for him if you in the middle.
Oh Lord, okay.
Second.
Slide up underneath there. You have to kind of.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. All the way down in the middle. Come on.
Jeremy, you ever done green before?
No, but it should work.
Oh Lord, it should. Y'all better stop playing. Oh my gosh. Let's see.
Y'all want to dip in the water? I'm going to do it.
No, I don't think they do. Oh, you want to feet in the water? No.
When I lower y'all down the water, you're going to point your feet down for me and get your
You want to put your feet in the water?
I'll make the decision for you. You're going to love it.
Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh.
I'm nervous too.
Well, we're in the air now.
Ain't no going back now.
Where's the thing at?
Just on your right hand side.
Will.
Just right here.
Okay.
Like what?
Look, y'all.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
How far are we up in the air right now?
Like 2 feet.
I try to get myself, but ain't no 2 feet. You see the beach.
Laid back.
Oh my God. It's not bad. Oh my God, so happy. I thought I was gonna pee myself. Look at the water.
This is nice.
Yes. I see y'all, Brittany, I see you, but I can't see what you're saying, boo. Hey y'all. Hey Shamir. Hey Tavares. I think I said it right. I can barely see, but
Oh, for real?
he did say it was peaceful too. Oh my God. There's other people out here doing it too, y'all. Are you still didn't tell me how high up we are right now?
We like 2 feet.
Wait, how high?
I think say go up to 800 feet, something like that. But I don't think we're there yet.
Wow. Well, why the rope look like that right there?
I know, right? Hey, well, at least we be up here for a minute, though.
Wow, we going up.
Yeah.
He said he gonna bring us down, put us in the water. Yes, he did. He said he gonna make the decision for us.
Point your toes and put your toes in the water.
Okay.
Look. Oh my God.
What is that black for?
Probably like some
Seaweed or something.
something like that.
Y'all see them? They so calm, cool, and collected. Wow.
It's awesome.
Beautiful.
Yeah, straight in.
But you leave my feet alone. This was all her idea. Down there.
Yeah, good job.
It wasn't bad coming up though. Before I know it, I was in the air.
Yeah. We is up there. Yeah.
Yes, I just wanted to share this experience with y'all. I don't know what this is. Keep hitting me on my booty over here. It's flaring.
Like water green from up there.
Wow. Well, look at that. What's that? Dolphins? Y'all see the dolphins in the water?
No.
Y'all don't see all them dolphins?
I see.
Look close. You see them moving. Y'all can't see them things swimming in the water. What's that over there? Y'all crazy. I can see it. Look, dolphins right here, all under our feet. Can y'all see the dolphins on Facebook?
I don't know. That's a dolphin. Dog.
Hopefully they dolphins and not sharks. Shoot. But yeah, I just wanted to share this experience. Oh my God.
Air even fresher up here.
It's so, like, I just got to take like a mental picture right now. Yes.
What are those right there? Those dolphins right there? See
Where?
over there by that boat that just turned around?
It might be.
Yeah, they keep dipping it out. Yeah.
Yeah, it's dolphins all in this water though. Y'all know from last time when we was here. Look, that's one right there. You can see that one real clear. That's because he on the top. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, MG.
Jet skis, huh?
She said she is not doing no jet
She
skis.
just said definitely.
Oh, this not the same as jet skis, trust me. Uh-oh.
We about to come.
Oh, Lord. No, he driving. Oh, is he? He about to pull us back in?
Yeah, we come back in.
Are we? Not while he turning, we not. Wow. Oh, I forgot to get the parachute.
Yeah, you are responsible for the
Yeah. Oh, you know I'll be the first one to pull that bad boy if it's an emergency.
It's a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a rock off, bro.
Wow. They turning around. Y'all, it's so quiet.
This is an experience.
Lamblay gonna get y'all.
Next time we can do it with Lamblay.
All right, I'm ready to get down.
Good to find so more people know.
Yeah.
I'm ready to get down now.
We coming in.
All 500 pounds of us.
Yeah, all 500 pounds of us. Yeah, that's what they say.
Yeah.
495. 495.
I'm like, y'all see?
If they put your toes down so they can dip in the water.
I don't want to dip in the water.
Gotta make sure you got that thing above your head.
Huh?
Oh, he told you to take a picture.
Video it.
Yeah, oh yeah, just
Woo! You probably can't even see me with this camera in my face. Look at the bird. Disrespectful.
Ready.
Hope you.
Oh, we going. Oh no, we going in the water. Oh my God! You play too much. Why is he playing?
One more people.
Oh my God! That water is cold. What is that? That's a jellyfish. Y'all saw that jellyfish? Did y'all see it? It was big. There go another one. They hook in the water. All right, I don't want no more. All right, we landed. Yes. Yes. Wait a minute, don't let me off yet.
I can't believe these people work. Yeah, don't tell my boss that we all three on that.
Oh man, that was fun. Nah, actually it was pretty smooth. Y'all did a good job. Thank you. Oh, we got more. All right, y'all.